So I've just discovered this secret NotebookLM feature that allows anyone to turn NotebookLM in a Reddit research powerhouse. And if you want to know what it is, keep watching. Hey guys, and welcome to Where's the Scale. So if you know me, you know that I like NotebookLM. I especially like it for the reason of you being able to control all the sources. So this makes it a quote-unquote closed system, where you have a full control over which sources to use. And then NotebookLM is amazing at repurposing information. So you can create infographics, decks, explainer videos, and the list goes on and on and on. And you also know that I love Reddit. So Reddit is an amazing source of insights, inspiration, keywords. Previously, only two tools were really good at Reddit. The first one is, of course, Perplexity, because when you go to Perplexity and you choose any of these two modes, you can then make it use social, and social is Reddit only and nothing but Reddit. And you can also use Jensen Spark, and Jensen Spark has a Reddit MCP that it uses to fetch information from Reddit. But I found out a life hack, a feature that allows you to use NotebookLM to fetch information from Reddit and Reddit only. So let's create a new notebook, then discover sources. Then what we'll do, we will immediately switch to deep research, and then we need to pick a topic. For this video, I'm choosing manifestation, and especially manifestation SP, which stands for specific person, which is a sub-niche of manifestation. And this is the prompt that I'm going to be using. Very simple. Find me the most relevant Reddit discussions around manifesting an SP on Reddit. Do not search outside of Reddit or suggest any non-Reddit sources. So let's click on next. And after a few minutes, you get this enormous list of sources. If you hover over any of them, you'll see that it's Reddit only. Reddit, Reddit, Reddit. And I've done my due diligence, so this is exclusively Reddit and nothing but Reddit. And now you have obviously a few choices. You can go to reports and create a blog post, for example. This is how it may look like. 5 reality banging truth I learned from Reddit's most esoteric manifestation community. Have you ever felt profoundly stuck, as if you were banging on the door of your own life, wishing for a change that just wouldn't come in? Okay, these are 5 reality banging truths that map a journey into the heart of this strange and powerful philosophy. Your brain is hallucinating reality. You are the director. Everyone in your life is a reflection of you. To change your world, you must ignore it. Trying is a symptom of not having. And finally, the ultimate power is a simple, emotionless decision. Okay, this is a blog post. You can then create a mind map that will map out everything there is to know about manifestation and manifestation SP. Core principles: consciousness is reality. Everyone is you pushed out, the law of assumption, 3D versus 4D, self-concept as foundation, living from the end. You get different manifestation techniques. Now to the specific person, recreating personalities, removing third parties, ending no contact, removing SP from pedestal, ignoring past breakups, successful manifestation states, and manifestation categories. And these could be used to map out the entire content hub dedicated to this very topic, manifesting an SP. Next up is a slideshow, which looks amazing. So let me just say that this is an amazing looking presentation. The architecture of desire, the operator of reality. So you can literally host classes and record classes just off of these slides here. Everyone is you pushed out, the architecture of lack, killing the old man, the toolbox 1, nocturnal rituals, the toolbox 2, waken discipline, the toolbox 3, rewriting history, the obstacle. So guys, if you manage to put a voiceover on top of this, you can literally sell this as a course. So the slides are amazing. The content is there. It's based on 40 plus Reddit subreddits and threads. So you can literally package it in a way that just screams expertise. Amazing. And finally, there is a video that you can generate. This one is an explainer video.
Today, we are diving into a really wild idea, one that comes from a corner of the internet that believes it's found a way to literally hack reality. Now,
okay, I'm not the biggest fan of NotebookLM presentations, very amazing, but they have a very recognizable style. Yes, you can customize them. So if you go to video overviews and click on the pencil, you have your custom style, but this is still a very recognizable visual in contrast to the slides, because this is amazing. This doesn't scream NotebookLM at all. This just screams extremely professional. And if you manage to get to 20 or 30 slides or create micro lessons, this could be packaged as a course. So this is amazing. So once again, out of this data, we've just created a blog post, a map, a slideshow, and finally a video. And there is a life hack. You've noticed that there is 40 something sources, and I did say the most relevant ones. But if you wanted the absolute maximum possible, what you could do is click on add sources, click on a website where it says links, then go back to Perplexity, run the same prompt using deep research. Perplexity usually uses more sources, so this is 93 versus 40 something. And then you just say, now just give me all of the sources, URLs, each on its own line, nothing else. So these are the sources. As requested, we click on copy. We go back to NotebookLM and we paste them here. Then insert. And this is magic. They are being added so you can combine sources. You can do the same with Jensen Spark. Jensen Spark returned 50 plus sources. I ran the same prompt, and these were the results. Or if you're part of my school community of 130 plus members, that has recently been updated with my locomotive search gap method to rank in 24 hours. You also get a rapid ranking system of 7 additional keyword research methods. You have classes on how to write multimedia articles, how to pick your niches, how to outrank everyone in local SEO. You get access to custom tools, and you get an ever-evolving library of custom workflows. And as far as tools go, I've just created another tool. If you type in the same keyword and click on search Reddit, this is going to find 100 sources. And the difference between Perplexity, NotebookLM, and this is that you can actually filter by date, which is very important. So last 7 days, 24 hours, 30 days, last year, all time, and you can copy the sources. You can go back to NotebookLM. You can add sources, websites, paste URLs, and now we've just created a monster. So I wasn't counting, but this is like the biggest collection of relevant subreddits that you can possibly analyze. So this is amazing. You've just created a monster out of NotebookLM. And now you can rinse and repeat. You can redo your slideshow. You can do multiple blog posts. You can create multiple video presentations. And this becomes an incredible resource for repurposing, repackaging, and analyzing. Once again, these prompts and this custom tool is going to be inside of my Search Gap Method community. The entry ticket is $27. This is hugely undervalued for the amount of information that I give here, but you still get a chance to secure this low price. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.